I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. What do I say to a student who comes to me feeling like they have been disrespected by another teacher? And they may be correct. First of all, never ever, even if you know the student might be correct, never kind of roll a colleague under the bus. And this has happened to me several times. And usually when it's happened, it's because my colleague has reached their frustration level and they didn't purposely want to say something to this child that made them feel disrespected. But when they feel that way, I validate it. Not like, oh, they shouldn't have said that to you, or, oh, they did that to you again. Like, don't go there. I actually just say to the child, they say, yeah, I'm sorry you feel that way. I can understand why you might have felt that way. But remember, here's the chance for you to teach that child skills. See, remember, we can only manage our response. So we want to teach our kids to be more responsive and less reactive. So therefore, I say to them, now, no matter how you feel, right, wrong, or indifferent, your response has to maintain your dignity. So how do you get that feeling of being respected back? You're the one that has to do that for you now, because I can't make somebody else change the way you might have perceived what they said or did in front of you. That's a huge skill. So if you handle it that way, you protect your colleague when they might be having a rough day, but you also give the kids some skills that they need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.